So we've realized that there's a lot of R&D that takes place in the space, in the e-mobility space. There's a lot of funding gaps in terms of entrepreneurs. There have been certain pockets of excellence. Um, Local IP needs to be enhanced. Some of the IP is coming in from overseas. There's the influx of EVs imported into the country, yet there's no local assembly or local manufacturing taking place. From a manufacturing perspective, in country, our manufacturers need to be incentivized, and that will more than likely bring the cost index of EVs down. So there's been a very slow adoption of electric vehicles in the country, as opposed to other countries such as Vietnam, India, China, where it's very much fully adopted. From an infrastructure perspective, we've also learned that we have all the necessary components right here in country, and we just need to learn how to take advantage of it. There's a lot of learning that is still taking place from an R&D perspective, and pretty soon, there are decisions that need to be made. Like there's the agreements with the EU and the UK, that our production lines locally, our local auto manufacturers need to upskill or upgrade their production lines to meet certain requirements in terms of those countries. And we're lagging a little bit behind. We need to act fast if we want to take advantage of it. It's our future. It's climate change is it's a reality, and this is how we can lower the carbon footprint in our country.